The Stonehouse construction site has seen a flurry of activity the past few weeks. From terrain alterations and stonework outside to the refinished floors and trim on the inside, this place is becoming quite the eye-catcher. The back veranda is starting to take shape as a concrete slab finally goes down on top of some textured blocking. Inside, our shop crew has been hard at work creating custom kitchen cabinets and a matching island, complete with integrated stove and butcher block top. The tile backsplash even incorporates tiles we salvaged from a fireplace surround. As we finish up most of the trim work, the delivery of sinks and toilets from Ferguson was just what we needed. Richard and his team at Designed Concrete Surfaces did a great job on the upstairs sink and an accent shelf in the entertainment room. A team of painters takes to the upstairs this week, so stay tuned for more updates on this amazing project. For more information on our luxury vacation rental property, go to blackdogsalvage.com/thestonehouse.